Hello, I'm here today to introduce the M1 3D printer from Makerpi. This printer is very interesting because it's a portable printer, so it's very easy to carry, only 3 kilograms of weight, so it's very light actually. You have a build size from 100 times 100 times 100, so it's quite a big build size for this tiny printer, and it's very easy to carry. You can put it in your backpack and take it anywhere if you want to print something and want to be mobile. So it's very nice. Yeah. So I will show you some function from this printer, how you operate this printer, and I also make a time-lapse video. You will see how one part is printed, without any failure. Okay, so let's start. There's a very easy to use power supply included. It's 24 volt. It's have different adapter depending on your country, and yeah, so it's also very easy to connect. Just put it in here in the PC and you plug it in. Yeah, that's all. Very easy. Okay, this power supply is also energy saving. It's only using 45, you can see here on the back. It's 45 watts. Yeah. Okay, now I will show you the auto level system. Actually, you need to put the printer on the print position. It's here. Yeah. Then you press the button here. Now it's turning red, which means the printer is heating. Later on the printhead will go down and up again and measure the distance between the platform and the printhead and adjust itself. For the material, I feed the material already. I just put the roll close to here. You also have the possibility to hang it. Okay, now it's working. The printhead is going down. It's coming up. Adjusting and start printing. We cut this. If you have some problem to get it not through here, you can release this screw. Oh, this is quite easy to release. If not, just take some tools to do it. Okay, then need to put it on this way. Okay, then you go through, put the screw back on like this. So if you press the feeder, you can adjust the filament. Actually, what I do is I will adjust it that I have almost this length here. Then I don't need such long time to feed it in. Okay, what I do now is I press this device down, so the tube holder will be fixed. Okay, now what I will do, I go to the load position. And I will load it. But if you go inside with your hand, always be careful, don't touch the printhead. We need to wait for heating up, and then we need to see how the material will guide from here through here. The feeder actually will move, so it will turn then, it's not clockwise, it's counterclockwise. It will turn counterclockwise, the material will be moved up and pushed into the printhead here. And it's pushed in and the printhead is heating, so the material will go down. So now it's already working. Yeah, it already comes out. So it's okay. So I will stop the process. You make a long press here. Okay. Okay, maybe we go to the unload position, which is here. Then you see the printer is already operating and now will unload my filament material. The red color means that the printhead, which is here, you see, is heating. So now the material, so it's heated, you see it's green. The material is already coming out here. So what we can do, if we want to speed up the process, we can release this tube guide. We press it down, can take it up, because it's already released from the printhead, and then I can cut it here. Okay, suck. So I speed up the process. You see, now it's coming down. It's released. Okay. With a long press, I will stop the process. Okay? Okay, if you want to stop the print, you just press the button again, you make a long press. Okay. The part is also very easy to remove. Actually what you do, you have this magnetic platform, as you see here, and yeah, it's magnetic. It's holding here, and if you see it's like this, you just can bend it, you bend it, and then you can take the part off. Very easy. First of all, you need the memory card. There's a slot for the TF card. You put it in there. Okay, you see? What you do it, you put it in the print position. It's in the middle. Then you put the power supply in. Okay. Then you press the button here. Now it's turning red, which means the printer is heating. So the button turns green. Then the auto leveling process will start. Okay, let's see. And the printer starts printing. In this case, it starts with a weft at the base, so the print will stick to the base plate and to the platform very strongly. Yeah. This printer is very easy to carry. If I want to carry this printer, actually just unplug it. Have this power supply, very easy, take it here, have my backpack, take it, printer here, can move it in, even this I can put in here.